Anong shape to?
Triangle.
Ano yung triangle? Yung envelope o yung pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza. Oh, you color the pizza. What color do you want to use?
Yellow.
Okay. Mm. What shape is this?
Rectangle.
Ano yung rectangle? Yung door o yung ball?
Oh, door.
See? You can do it. Okay ka na dyan?
Yeah.
Sige, next page.
Ayaw.
Almost done. Identify the shapes of the following objects. Draw their shapes in the box. O, anong shape to?
Oval.
Oval. Oh, can you draw an oval? Oval. Draw oval. Dito. Draw ka daw dito ng oval. Oval. Draw oval. Okay. How about this? Anong shape to?
Triangle.
Triangle. Oh, you draw a triangle here. Here, on the box. Ano yan? Hindi. Connect na naman eh.
Dalawa, di ba?
Connect. Straight line. Triangle. Heart. Heart. Ito, circle. Oh, sige, kaya mo na yan ha. Draw a circle. Go. Circle. Circle, hindi line. Hindi na to connecting the dots. Okay.